Here's what's next on Project C10.
I think you... Let's torch back on that.
All right, we're actually to a milestone on this build, so we've got a lot of things going on. The major thing is we just rolled the frame over in order to do this, finish sanding it, prepping it, and painting the frame. We spent a couple of weeks trying to get every little nook and cranny sanded, as well as any minor imperfections, as many as we could, to get out of the frame. So now we get to paint it and just see how good a work we did to it.
Playing cards, get their time frame on that, and it gets played.
Okay, again on Project C10, today we're going to be breaking down the rear end a little bit so we can pull the pinion seal out. When we first got the truck, it had a little bit of a leak, and we want to make sure when this is sitting in the showroom floor, we're not going to have any drips.
I think you... Would it be better to get a...
Is it quiet? Yeah, it's gone. Okay, what we're doing is prepping and getting ready to paint some of the parts, the suspension pieces. So we're sanding things down, getting it ready so we can paint each piece individually, so that way it's nice, clean, fresh when it gets bolted on to the frame. As you can see, there our frame back here, we've got it all dialed in and ready to go. So once we get some of these painted, we'll start assembly of the suspension.
Right now we're looking at running just one set of pole components, so that you'll have a mid and a tweeter and a crossover to filter out any sort of lows.
There's a lot to think about in a confined amount of space, that's for sure.
And having it sound good.
Pretty good looking. And we have our list over here. And our list, basically, we just got done doing the body work on the frame. We painted and primed the frame, or primed and painted the frame, stripped down the engine and painted the block and the heads. Did the battery box. We notched the cab for the battery box. So we got several things that we've done so far. So we still got, right now we're in the process of prepping and painting suspension pieces. We got to assemble the long block, install suspension on the frame. So a list, in my opinion, is a good way to keep things going versus jumping all over the place. It kind of keeps your mind focused on where you need to be and keeps you going in order, and things seem to get done quicker and faster.